Hey, what's up? So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I record vocals in FL Studio. Now I'm going to be straight up with you. I've only started using FL Studio to record vocals like a week ago. Up until then, I used to make my beats in FL Studio. I would mix down the beat and I would open up Adobe Audition. I would throw in my beat in there, record my vocals, do everything there. But now for some reason, I've decided to record it in Fruity Loop Studio, so it's all in one spot. And I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So this is my laptop, obviously. Right here, I got my sound card. It's an older sound card. It's a Edirol UA25. And I got the XLR cable for my mic going into it there. The mic is up here, obviously, just for the sake of space. It's a Audio-Technica 4040, I believe. That's the mic, and that's the sound card. Now, from the sound card, I have this USB that goes directly into my laptop, right? And what I do is I make sure that that is plugged in before I even open up FL Studio. So we're going to open up FL Studio right now. And the reason I say I make sure it's plugged in, because if I open up FL Studio and that's not plugged in, then when I go up here, you'll see. So once we open it, we're going to go to Options. We're going to go to Audio Settings. And then here, this is the device I'm using, UA25. So depending on what device you got, what sound card you got, you're going to be able to select a device from here. Now, a lot of people say use ASIO, ASIO, whatever the hell it's called. I use that, like, as you can see, I use that when I make beats, right? But if I click this and try to record, it's not going to pick up my my mic. It's going to use the laptop mic. So to avoid that, I go right here, UA25, and then I close this bad boy. Now, as far as the beat goes, you can go here. And if you open up a beat, like, you know what I mean, you're going to have your patterns over here. So that's one thing. Now let me just open up Edison here quickly. Sorry, I was going to record this on my actual laptop, but when you switch these sound cards in the program, it fucks up with the recording software. So it is what it is. But anyways, let me open up, like, let me say this is the beat here. So this is a beat I made. I'm going to just drag it in. You click here, you drag it into your song pattern. So put it where you want, doesn't matter. Now, this is me dragging an instrumental. Like I said, if you have a beat over here, you're going to have your patterns. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to do both, but just so you know what I'm talking about. So if you want to record, you can click here. You can click here, depending on where you want to start recording, right? So let's just say here for the hell of it. And then what I'm going to do is right click here on track 2 and go where it says track mode. I'm going to go to audio track and you can pick any insert in here. So for the sake of it, I'll just put insert 10, right? Now we're going to open up our mixer, which is up there, that button. Click on that and make sure track 10 is highlighted. Now, if I talk, you see nothing's going on because like here where it says none, nothing's selected. So if I click there, it's going to give me an option, stereo or mono. When you're recording rap vocals, any kind of vocals, you always want to do it in mono. So we're going to click mono here. Now see, I'm talking, blah, 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 blah. It shows that. If I hit my mic up there, you see it's making that noise. So like the mic's fully set up right now. So now in order to record, we have that set up, right? And now we're just going to click record here at the top. And then we're going to hit play. And then bada 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 boom. Now you stop that. You see it's recorded it there. I can't really play it back, but trust me, it's freaking there. Now, if I was to press play again, you see how the recording is still selected? If I was to press play again, it's going to record another instance of insert 10. So if you don't want to do that, avoid that. Just click that. When you're done recording the first one, click the X off. And now go to like this track, for example. If you want to do another track, go to track mode, go to audio track. Let's select track 11. We can't put it to track 10 because that one's already on track 10. So now if you go to track 11, you could see my track 10 is still making sound. Track 11 is not making nothing. The reason it's not making nothing is because we got to go back there again. And we got to click here and select in. You see? Boom. Ha 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 ha. Now it's working. So that's how you record vocals. One thing that I forgot is when you're recording, you can move this down. So I like to put it on like minus 10 dB decibels. So like, you see what I mean? Put it like that and then record it. I should have said that first. So for this one, we'll do that. We'll put it down to like minus 10. We'll close our mixer. We're gonna obviously have to click record again. And then we'll go here. So you can see it recorded that one. I believe the reason they recorded this again is because down here, there are arms for recording. So let me just take that off. Now, if I close this here, now if I press play, hello, 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 hello. Yeah, okay, so I still had the recording thing on the insert 11, so that's why it recorded there, as you can see. So yeah, like if you're recording, see that red thing? That means it's armed for recording. I had both red before, so that's why I did that. That's how you record vocals. I'm sure there's other cooler ways to do it, but that's how I do it. And like I told you, I'm not an expert. I just started doing it like a week ago, so I hope that helps you guys out. If you have any further questions, let me know, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. All right, peace.